Let's assign keyboard shortcuts to make working with search and replace functionality easier. So by default, to search for something in a file, we can open up the panel with the search by pressing Command F. And also, there is an additional input in here, which allows us to replace search results with some other text. So for this functionality, specifically to open up panel with the search and to open up panel with search and replace fields, I'm going to assign keyboard shortcuts. Let's open up configuration file and add additional mappings in here. The first mapping will be responsible for opening up panel with the search. Command identifier in this case is called find. And the second mapping will be for opening up that same panel, but with replace input visible as well. And now after sourcing this configuration file, let's try it out. I'm going to press Shift F and we'll see that the search panel is open. And now if I'm going to press Shift R, we'll see the same panel, but with replace field already visible. So this was the local search, but we can also open up the panel, which allows us to search globally. We can press Command Shift F and we'll get such global search panel. So let's switch over to configuration file and I'm going to add a couple more mappings to open up this global search panel. Command identifier in this case is called find in path. I'm going to use space FF to open up global search panel and to open up that same panel, but with replace field visible, I'm going to use sequence of keys space FR. And after sourcing configuration file, we can easily press space FF to open up global search panel. And then if we press space FR, we'll get the same panel, but with replace field visible as well. So that's all for the search and replace functionality. In the next lesson, we will move on to something else.